Hi everyone, welcome to Halloweenville again, and today we are doing building number 4 from Fat Dragon Games. This is the Ravenfell set. Really, again, another easy build. You build the bottom and the roof pretty much the same way. There's a little bit of difference in the roof style. You can see that this one has kind of like, it goes outwards like that. And it has this little lip up here, so it's almost got 3 tiers, and I really like it. It's different and nice, and again, by doing it the way that I'm doing it, these are really rock solid, not going to go anywhere on the table. I love this process. It's so much fun. It's relaxing for me to do. I have decided to buy the Dragonshire set, which is the other set of houses, and they've got all kinds of expansions for it and other buildings. They have more for this set too, so I'm going to have to look into getting all of it. But with the Dragonshire set, what I thought I would do is I would take the advice of one of the subscribers, and I apologize, I haven't had time to look up to see who it was, but I'm sure they'll comment in the comment section below. Give them credit. Suggested magnets, so that you can put the floors in and separate them and use them for D&D. So I will be doing that with that set, so we'll do it a little bit differently. Again, I'm building this for wargaming in Frostgrave, so I just wanted to make solid pieces for now. And I love it. We're halfway through this project. There are a total of 8 buildings plus a bell tower, so that would be technically 9, but I guess they don't count it. It's kind of like a bonus freebie there. So we are halfway through all the buildings. Again, number 4. I'm going to be working on number 5 next week. This weekend, St. Patty's Day weekend, and we have a big gaming weekend all planned out. So enjoy the speed build, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks, and have a happy and safe St. Patrick's Day.